I would like to say a big thank you to you for coming to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy what you find, and there's always new ones going up if you want to see more. Hello, this is another short video for you online people who are starting your business. Tips for a home business. When establishing an online organization, there are many points that a person ought to bear in mind. One of the most vital things is that making money at home is feasible. However, functioning from house is much like any other job because you have to operate it. You cannot obtain something for nothing, as well as the work that you need to take into your home organization is a straight sign of the outcome you can obtain functioning kind of resident. Functioning from home at a home organization requires a number of things to be effective. When you have constructed your site, you need to locate ways of obtaining internet site web traffic. You will require to advertise your internet site, and also to bring in customers. You might have the very best website on the planet that markets fantastic products as well as sources, but if clients don't know about it, you won't market a point. Excuse me. There are a number of methods for advertising a site, including utilizing different sorts of internet marketing, as well as offline advertising and marketing to advertise your internet site. Utilizing advertising and marketing for advertising your internet site is the best means to get customers. You will require to look into the very best places to promote your internet site and then spend a little bit of money on marketing. Online marketing is just one of the best means to obtain organization. An additional thing you certainly need when working from house with your home business is a great autoresponder. Establishing your site with a good autoresponder is an additional key tool for success. A trustworthy autoresponder makes sure that you do not miss out on any kind of customers. It actually does the work for you and helps you so you don't have to be at it 24 hours a day. Look into several autoresponders for other sites and locate one that will match your needs. A high quality autoresponder will care for a lot of tedious information and make it so you don't have to spend all your time relying on your clients. The autoresponder makes it so you have more time to advertise and promote your site and to offer your products or services. Generally, you have more time for earning money in your home when you utilize a great autoresponder. A home-based company can be a successful method for functioning from residence. However, you should have the required devices in position to do well. These tools include excellent online marketing as well as advertising of your site to promote it, as well as establishing your website with an excellent autoresponder to get back to possible customers quickly. Well, that was a bit of a short video, that one. It's probably because I managed to read it a little bit faster this time, but I hope you've got a few starting to stutter now. I hope you got a few good snippets from it. And can I wish you all the best in your online ventures and hope you're successful. If you do like my short videos, then please say like, press the like button, and also if you want more, if you press the bell and all next to it and subscribe, you will get information when my next video goes up. So once again, all the best in your ventures. Hope you do very well. And this is Ian Jackson saying bye for now.